Imagine giving your site visitors direct access to you or your team with a single click. No long forms, no waiting for email replies, just instant answers. A WhatsApp plugin for WordPress can transform how you interact with your audience, boosting engagement and satisfaction in seconds. A WhatsApp plugin is a simple tool that integrates WhatsApp into your WordPress site. It allows visitors to reach you instantly via their favorite messaging app. Customizable and user-friendly, this feature delivers seamless communication right from your website, driving convenience for both you and your audience. In today's fast-paced digital world, visitors expect quick, easy solutions. With a WhatsApp plugin, queries are answered in real time, eliminating frustrating delays. Faster communication builds credibility and enhances your blog's professionalism, making visitors more likely to trust and return to your site. Moreover, direct messaging fosters a personal connection. Blog owners can answer questions, provide resources, or even drive sales immediately. Every quick interaction becomes an opportunity to strengthen audience relationships and loyalty. Adding a WhatsApp plugin encourages readers to reach out. Whether it's clarifying a post, requesting recommendations, or providing feedback, engagement skyrockets when barriers to communication are removed. Each conversation is a chance to learn what your audience wants and improve your content strategy. Enhanced interaction also helps you stand out in crowded niches. Blogs offering direct, open communication feel approachable and reliable, giving readers unique reasons to choose your site over others. Gone are the days of juggling endless email threads. WhatsApp integrates all customer messages in one place. For bloggers with monetization goals, WhatsApp even supports multimedia sharing. You can send videos, images, or links to enhance responses, creating a richer and more engaging support experience. Its flexibility meets functionality at its finest. There are plenty of WhatsApp plugins, but choosing the right one is key. Look for features like easy installation, customization options, and mobile compatibility. Plugins like WhatsApp Chat by Elfsight or WP Social Chat are popular choices for their simplicity and functionality. Before installing, assess your needs. Are you looking for multilingual support? Does the design match your blog's aesthetic? Picking the right plugin ensures a seamless experience for visitors and helps maintain your site's professional appeal. A well-integrated WhatsApp plugin boosts your blog's branding and builds trust. Visitors see your commitment to accessibility, which strengthens loyalty and word-of-mouth recommendations. Over time, this can lead to increased traffic and even monetization opportunities as happy readers are more likely to engage and promote your site. Furthermore, real-time communication can uncover insights, common questions, reader preferences, or content gaps you can address proactively. It's an effortless way to grow your blog while serving your audience's needs. Don't let slow communication hold your blog back. A WhatsApp plugin can transform how you connect with your audience, offering instant, meaningful engagement that keeps them coming back. Install a plugin today, explore the features, and experience the difference one small change can make. Your readers and your blog will thank you.